You get to scrunch up on that toilet. That's a tiny one right there.
Tiny,
you know what I mean?
That's an American standard.
I don't know if that's a roach. I don't know. I'm not.
You guys, does it got wings?
This is the room you guys got. Today is day 3 of the Rolling Bones circus tour from New York to Bonneville Salt Flats, and they invited us to ride along with them again. We're in Marquette, Nebraska for our first stop at lunch at Dennis's out here in Marquette, and we're excited to be here. We'll get the camera over there and show what we got going on. What's up, big dog?
How you doing, man?
Really good, sir. Really good.
This is gorgeous.
Right? Got that stock car vibe, don't it?
Yeah.
Heck yeah, dude. How you doing, sir?
Good. How you doing?
Good, thank you. What do we got here?
Yeah, he's taking it on the salt. It's oily enough, ain't nothing gonna hurt it.
Dripping as we speak, boys.
Yes, it is.
They say at the old Triumph dealership downtown, Ramers had a wood floor. They had to put pans under the brand new bikes. They'd leak as they sat there on the floor to get purchased. Brand new. This motorcycle ain't no joke. Car here from Australia that they put on the ground in New York, I believe, and coming across has got a problem with the quick change we're in, so plenty of help here. Let's go check it out and see what we can see. Whatever he's saying is probably bullshit right there, that guy.
Sometimes I'll give him $20 and then I'll tell him.
There's a lot of truth to that. We left Marquette. It was a real nice thing. Dennis and his wife and family put some really nice spread on there. It was always an honor to be invited there. Now we're on to the next stop. We're going down Highway 30 to Paxton for dinner. And we were a little longer there than normal, but they were working that pinion seal on the front of that quick change on that 401 car, the Model 40 there that was jacked up. Lots of help there, lots of knowledge. Pretty cool to see those guys work together, get that fixed. So I'm just following Big Joe and Eric down Highway 30 to Paxton, and we'll show you what we got going on there at Ole's Big Game Steakhouse, where they stop every year. We made it. Paxton, Nebraska, Big Ole's Big Game Steakhouse. The old man's walking a little slow, coming out of the truck. Been in the air conditioning all day. Little buckaroos ready to eat. Been snacking. Drinking some Mountain Dews. The old stepside slick, buddy. That's a rare dog right there. I don't know my grills.
I think that's the 3 grill.
63. Mine's a 63 truck, but a 64 grill. So that's what my grill should look like. That's fuel injection, I think.
Fuel injection.
48.
Fuel injection.
Fuel injection.
Yeah, 63 grill.
63
A lot of
grill.
that going around, Tommy. Fuel injection.
Since about 86. That's when the Mustangs went. Yep. Let me call this hotel real quick. I'll be right in. Motel. Is it?
That's a really cool.
Yeah, that Lazy K.
Like the K and stuff.
Well, we're doing it. You want to do it?
Yeah.
I can call him back.
Yeah.
All right, let's do it. Why wouldn't you have your bike out? If I had that bike, I'd have it out. You know what I mean? It's probably What you think, big dog?
What you think, buddy?
You're doing great, buddy. You're doing great.
Hanson go?
He's inside, isn't he? Right, or working some game. You know, who knows?
Hey, my boy got it.
Looking right there, buddy. She's looking right.
Right, let's look at it.
That's sick.
See you in there, buddy.
It's like 3rd-degree burns.
I thought it was bacon when I first seen it.
What's that taste like?
I don't know. I
So Omaha, we're in here somewhere, maybe number 5. I don't know. Ogallala, yeah, number 5. Right here, there's a state line. Right here, going on 80, going all the way to Salt Lake. We're doing it. What's up, buddy? What year was this built again, bud?
54.
54.
A year after the Omaha was shot.
Oh my goodness, dude, that's awesome. It's in good shape, right? Have you seen inside the room yet? That nice?
We just peeked inside one there. It looks pretty original.
These are for you and senior.
Oh, dude, original postcards, dude? Yeah. What? Look at that. So good. We'll get the light on. Oh, man. Look at it. From, oh my goodness. Is the pool still here?
No, he said they made a deal where you have to have a lifeguard 24/7, so that's what they filled the pool on.
Lame.
And check out
Swim at your own
check
risk.
out that E-body right there,
Ooh.
son.
What? That's about where we're parked. That's where the dumpster is now. No offense, Mopar guys, but that's a bad boy right there. Got a key, Dad. You got a key. What's that? Yeah. Should we check it out? There's a little grill right here. You want to cook?
toad right there if you want to put him. Right at your feet. Don't bring him in the room.
Maybe. Oh, well, else they used a key on a room. I guess it. Let's see what we got here. Oh, room number 1. It's cool in here too. It's definitely not the Ted Bundy motel room we stayed in Tooele. If you haven't seen that video, make sure you check that out. You coming in, Pumpkin, or not?
Hmm?
You coming in, Pumpkin?
Oh yeah, I'm gonna wait till you curate.
All your stuff in?
No,
Okay, so
and
this
it's
is the room you guys got. And that's the tub.
And it's the VIP room.
That's the VIP, like it's like
VIP.
honeymoon.
Yeah. And he's
Well,
like,
that's a little sketchy.
There ain't no.
he's like, I haven't had time to clean it. My wife just had knee surgery, blah blah blah. And it's the only, and we couldn't get into room 11, which is the other room that's open.
Was somebody in there?
No,
check this.
no, the handles on.
Well, this one too, but not bad. We stay in here. You feel
The beds and everything.
The beds are fine.
It's just we're gonna need your shower.
We're gonna need to take a shower in your shower.
sure.
Is that okay?
Oh my gosh, yeah. Whatever you guys need, boys. You just let us know what you need and how we can help.
1952. She's a little.
I don't-
You know.
I don't see. It's 52 or 54.
54. Sorry.
A
54.
year after the Omaha Koopas
54.
chopped.
Check out the old school heaters.
Dude,
And all
what?
the bathroom. Ours has like all the original bathroom fixtures. I think yours is too. Yeah.
Oh, she's a lady.
Bottle opener.
Oh, dude, look at
Tissue
that.
dispenser.
Boom, boom. All the amenities, boys. You mean? That toilet. That's,
All this old.
we get a scrunch up on that toilet. That's a tiny one right there.
Tiny,
You
yeah.
mean?
That's,
Yeah.
that's an American standard.
Yeah. Put your knees under your chin to make it everything fit in there.
Shit, son. What date we got here? No date on it?
You okay, Dad?
Buttons.
Oh, man. Yeah.
How you gonna figure that out, Dad?
I don't know, but I got them.
Got him.
I got the buttons, you know.
Do the old bed bug check, you know what I mean? They're just like black dots where the bugs go back in the cushion. They come off your body, and they go back in there for warmth. Until somebody else stays and they get back on you and they suck your blood. And the black dot is your blood as it goes back to the
That's
fabric.
it.
Sorry.
I don't know if that's a roach. I don't know. I'm not.
Has
You guys
has it got wings?
check out that bug back there.
No, that's a spider.
Okay.
Oh, good.
Legs all curled up.
Okay. Well, you know, I can't see very well. I don't have my glasses on.
You don't even
I
wear
need them though.
glasses.
I need them.
You're the one
Don't
check for
wear
bed bugs,
glasses.
and you can play it on your glasses.
Hello, sir. Little view of the office here. All the things we could do if we weren't going to Bonneville. Good morning. Slept pretty good. I wouldn't say the room was a 10, but for 55 bucks, we got a room. But it wasn't great, but it wasn't bad. And life on the road, that's how it is. Anyway, more to come. Thanks for watching. What do you think, Dad?
Well, like somebody said, there's a McDonald's.
First thing out of your mouth.
Food.
Food. Yeah, McDonald's here in town, so.
Well, I'll buy.
Jeez, my man right there.
How's that?
That's what I'm talking about.